Yeah, this is, just imagine you receive this. This is the till cash drawer, okay, and this is the scanner you receive like this, and the printer cables comes like this. Printer cable, this power catalyst, and this thing, right? So first thing we will on the till. In the till, I am putting this network cable aside. Connect this power lead. See, there is a 4-pin, and this has like play like this. So just tilt it up, and you can see the power sort here. And this notch should be go down like this. Okay. And push it inside. Power icon here. Then this one's connect to the power. There is a button here, power button. Press this. The LEDs comes. This gonna happen. Now we comes for the scanner. Scanner comes like this. So it's look like network cable, but it's not network cable. This side have gone back side of your scanner, and this cable, if you can tell this like this. If you can see USB port, you can connect it on any USB. Okay. Then we can comes to the printer. Connect this catalyst, printer adapter. Connect this to the power. If you can see, it has 3 pins. This flat surface go down. Put it and push it. It will go inside. The printer cable goes here, and from back side of the cash drawer, the only one cable comes, and it will be connect here, DK in the last. Connect it here, and then USB cable other end, you can connect it here on the USB. Now the last part is network cable connections. Take it out the cable. First end you can connect it here. You can see there is a lights on that. That means this is the network one. Okay, the 2 ports you see, but where you see the lights, that is called the network ones. Put it inside, and that's other end in your router or your network switch. After you connected, you can see the lights here. It means data passing, and here you can see this icon. Okay, before it's in like globe. After I connected, it changes here. Make sure it's look like this, then all set.